Hello everyone, I'm Ayush Sharma and I'm the Developer Student Club's lead. And let's join the Learning with GCP crash course. Alright, so first question arises, why Google Cloud? Okay, so there are mainly three reasons which I believe is more important for you to know about why are we working on Google Cloud. So first, we got a huge community support and great learning resources. So these all resources are free, provided by Google, and we got an awesome learning community and community support from tech industry experts and lots of amazing cloud enthusiasts. Second, we got world-class security, so we cannot doubt on security from Google because it provides really great security functions on services like Gmail and all the services. So we got a really world-class security on Google Cloud. Third, it's fast. Yeah, literally it's so fast that you can do gigabytes of processing of data in just fraction of seconds. And this is really fast. I believe the fastest cloud service is Google Cloud. So if you want to know more about why we're using Google Cloud, you can just go ahead on Google and type in why Google Cloud and you will land on this page right over here. This is the page which tells you why are we using Google Cloud and why Google Cloud is most famous cloud network or cloud service provider among the greatest companies like PayPal and AirAsia and Pizza Hut, lots of, you just name it. Each and every startup is using Google Cloud nowadays. So it's quite famous and everyone is using Google Cloud, so that's why we are on to that. So let's go again. So why GCP crash course? Why are not we moving ahead to Google Cloud Platforms, Cloud Study Jam or any other program by DSC? So GCP crash course is a fast learning track only for developer student clubs members and cloud enthusiasts who are a member of DSC. So if you are a member of DSC, you have already attended a GCP crash course near your college. I have also hosted a GCP crash course in my college on 11th of October. So attendees who are really enthusiastic to learn great things on Google Cloud Platform for free. So it's easy to start learning and get your hands on GCP. So when you enroll in a GCP crash course, you get hands-on experience on Google Cloud Platform itself. You're not going for any video tutorials. You directly simulate your real-world use cases onto the Google Cloud Platform. So this is a really great thing for GCP crash course. Next, you got tracks to choose from. What excites you more? Like we will get to know about it in later on. What are the tracks we have? We have machine learning, data science, and app development. So whichever tracks excites you more, you choose that track to learn in cloud computing. Continued learning with level up. So as you go along with the GCP crash course, the level gets higher and you get to learn more and more and increase your skills and knowledge on that topic. And at the last, be your own hero. You'll be feeling really great after you've completed all the quests in GCP crash course, and you'll be your own hero. So the benefits of GCP crash course: first, you'll be getting, this is not updated, you'll be getting $125 plus credit subscription on Quick Labs. So for free, yeah, that's for free. They're not charging any money, and you'll be getting a great learning resource for free from Google itself. And after completing each quest, you will be getting a badge, which is a kind of certificate which you can share on your LinkedIn's and other resumes to showcase your skills that you have practically worked on Google Cloud Platform. And one more great thing is, you're a student, you don't have a credit card, so you don't require any credit card to register on GCP to use the services and learn from them. It'll be really awesome learning stuff, and you'll be doing this for free. So it is flexible to choose and fun to learn. Of course it is. So we've got three amazing tracks for you. First is app development, second is data, and third is machine learning. So whichever is most excites you, you choose that track and learn services of cloud on that track. So this is the timeline for the participants. So the pre-event timeline is for leads like me, and post-event is also for me. So the event started from 30th September till 31st October. So you gotta make sure that you've completed the GCP crash course before 31st October and report to your nearest DSC. So those who are watching this video can contact me before 31st October if they've completed all the 5 quests. So we'll come to that, what these quests mean and what the tracks, how to do the labs in later on videos. So as you go along with the time, you will increase your learning and you will complete the quests, and after that you will be earning badges and shreds from Google. Okay, so these are some resources that I'll be providing and some important links in the description, so you can go ahead and check them out. So choose a track in GCP crash course. So first of all, let me tell you where you're going to work while doing the GCP crash course thing. So we'll be using Quick Labs as a platform. Quick Labs is also a service by Google to learn Google Cloud Platform services. So a Quick Lab is an online learning environment along with a set of instructions to walk you through a live, real-world and scenario-based use case without needing an account on GCP. It's a really great platform to learn stuff and showcase your skills to your resume and LinkedIn. Yeah, it's great. So in app development, you'll have to complete 5 quests. These are the name of the quests. You'll be getting the link on our official website of DSC RJIT's GCP crash course. So these are the 5 quests that you have to complete one track of application development. These are a track for data, and these are the tracks for machine learning. Let me rephrase that. These are the quests for machine learning track. Okay, Luma. So this is a generic timeline to complete 1 quest per week, but it's not possible, so you got to do it in 10 days because you got quite less time. 31st October is the last day to complete all the tracks. Not all the tracks, at least 1 track to complete GCP crash course. So after completing 1 track, at least 1 track, you can contact the nearest DSC like me via email or anything. Just report me that you have completed. I will provide you a form which was provided by Google so that you can claim your swags and hoodies. So as a learner, you will be getting a really awesome Google Cloud hoodie, and after completing 1 track, you will be getting stickers, pen, badges and lots of swags. So these are the hoodies and t-shirts that you will be getting after completing at least 1 track. So it is important to complete 1 track and report it before 31st October to me. Okay, so this is the GCP crash course thing. So let's go ahead and tell me how to get started with the GCP crash course. So this is official website of GCP crash course for DSC RJIT. This is the link to that is DSC RJIT.netlify.com. I'll be providing that into the description box. So all you have to do is click on know more so that you will be knowing more about GCP crash course. This is the thing that we've did for on 11th of October for our workshop in RJIT. So get to know more about the GCP crash course. So these are the 3 tracks that you'll be getting to go ahead. So if you want to do something on app development, just click on it and click on enroll now. We'll move forward and let's go down. So nothing's fun without rewards. So you'll be getting hoodies and swags and certifications in the form of badges. So there are 3 simple rules that you'll have to follow. First, enroll in any of the above track and make sure you fill this form. Just click here and you'll be launched to a new tab to fill the form, and make sure to read the terms and conditions which are written on the form. Complete at least 1 track before 31st October. Of course, you have to do this because this is the timeline for DSC GCP crash course. So after completing at least 1 track, it's not mandatory to complete all 3 tracks. These are the tracks: data science, app development and machine learning. Complete at least 1 of them and report to any of these guys. This is me, these are my core team and friends, and at least complete at least one track and report to any of us. These are the links to contact us, and make sure you tweet your or make a post on Instagram after completing a track to showcase that you have worked in GCP Crash Course. So let's take an example that you will be doing app development track. So just click on this and click on enroll now. You'll be landing to a new page of Quick Labs. So you'll be landing over here. So you'll be landing like this, and make sure you have this code in your link. Okay, so after clicking, you'll be landing on a page like this. So click on join. Well, the things have changed a little bit. Before this page, you got something sign up with Google, but the platform got updated. So let's go ahead and create a new ID. Let's go ahead, our email. So in the company name, you can just write your college name. So this is my company name. This is and make sure you create a password. Click on I'm not a robot. So after filling all the details, make sure you in the company name you have to write your college name. So this is not my college name, this is some other company. So this is my brother's name. So let's go ahead and create a new account. So a confirmation link has already been sent to my email. Okay, so where's the email? Never mind. So I have already signed in. So a confirmation mail will be sent to your email, and you have to click to confirm that your identity, and you will be landing on somewhere on this page, this over here. So make sure you have after clicking on this icon, you have a monthly subscription. So this subscription is only valid till 31st of October. After that, you won't be able to access the Quick Labs for free. Okay, so good. So the first thing you have to do is go into your website and click on this. After clicking on enroll now and making the new user account on Quick Labs, you have to come back to this page and click on this. Okay, so you'll be landing on this some page like this. So I guess you have to sign in again. So you'll be landing on some page like this. This is called the quest page. So this is the name of the quest, and you have to do 5 quests to complete one track. So each quest consists of labs like this. So these are hands-on lab which you will do on Google Cloud Platform. So I've completed few of the labs. This is not my primary account, so you see some of the green ticks, but let me tell you how to get started with this thing. So first of all, you have to read these instructions. Read this part very carefully, because this part will tell you what this quest is about, and if you don't know what you're doing in the quest, there's no sense of doing this thing. So here you'll be getting a join to enroll the quest, something button like this, and click on that. And this is the first lab that you have to do. These are the labs, the circles that you see like these are the labs. So do the labs, complete all the labs, and you'll be getting a badge, shareable badge like this. So let's click on the first lab. So this is the interface of the lab. This is the timer that only for 30 minutes the resources that are used in this lab are available on Google Cloud Platform. So this is the video. If you want to know more about what this lab does, you go ahead and click on the video link. So there's some few important points that you need to remember before going through the labs. You need to read the instructions very carefully, like what this lab is about, what are you doing in this lab, and what are the setups and requirements for this lab. So these parts should be read before clicking on start lab button, and these are the context, that the consistent part of the lab, what does this lab consist. So all you have to do is click on the start lab button, and it will give us a prompt dialog box, and click on use subscription. You don't have a launch access code, so you have to use subscription as it is written over here. You have a valid subscription package. So click on use subscription and you're good to go. Your lab has been started. So let's go ahead. So you will see the time will run 29 minutes 53 seconds, and you will see a prompt like this. So you have to do, first thing is to click on this, and you will be launching into a new tab to sign up on Google Cloud Platform. So make sure you don't sign up with your own account. You are given with these email ID and passwords over here, so you just have to go ahead and copy paste it on boxes. Okay, so you're good to go now. This is a project ID. This is a really important thing, that you need to make sure that you are doing work in the correct project ID. So you opened a Quick Lab account, which is provided by Quick Labs, which will give you a free access to this lab. So these are the instructions that are written over here. So you have to follow these instructions to complete the lab. Okay, so as soon as you see this thing over here and 100 score over here, then you are good to go. Congratulations, you've completed your lab. But not now. Let me tell you a few important points about the GCP console. Okay, so you have to do this each and every time. So you can skip this part over here, the setup and requirement. You have to do this, read this once, and you have to follow the same thing each and every time. So this is the navigation menu. All the services which are provided by the Google Cloud Platform is placed over here. So each and every service that you want is right over here, or you can just go ahead and search it. This is your project ID, so make sure this project ID should match with this one over here. This and this should be the same. So make sure you're working on the same project, and make sure you do not have your own account like this. You should have Quick Labs account. So this is Cloud Shell. This is a really important thing. Just like in Windows, we have CMD or command line. So same is here in Google Cloud Platform. We got Cloud Shell. So you can run Google Cloud commands over here in the Cloud Shell. So these are the instructions that are written. So a little hack to do these in a little efficient way is to place the windows half and half. So these are the instructions that you have to follow, and here's the console that you have to work on. So let's say we need to do what? Creating a virtual machine to use. So it is written over there. You have to read each and every instructions very carefully, because if you don't read them and you just copy paste the stuff, there's no sense of learning this stuff. So this is the console, and here it is written, go to the compute engine. So let's see where is compute engine. I find it over here, and then create on VM instances. Okay, so I landed on the same page as this one. Yeah, it does look same to me. So you have to do labs like this. You just follow the instruction, and there are some check my progress buttons, so which will check if you have done the thing or not. If you've created a VM instance, this would turn to a green thing, and you have to see each and every instructions and follow this over here. You will find everything over here which is written over here. So there's nothing like this command cannot be run on this platform. It will always run. Okay, so these are instructions. So let's add this lab, and there's no thing. Sorry. So you don't have to worry if the time runs up. You can restart the lab any time you want, or it doesn't depend how many times do you restart the lab. So there's no nothing bounded with the time. This is just to make sure that you are using the resources within the time and complete the lab within this time. So if your time ends, you can restart the lab and do again. So this is the basic things about the TCP crash course. Let me go ahead and tell you one more thing. If you've signed up with Google, you can just go ahead. This is for the old users. If you have signed in with Google and you see prompt like this, you have to do is forget your password and click on reset. So you will be getting a reset link over here and create your new password so that you can log in through here. Okay, so this is all about Quick Labs and GCP crash course. Make sure you learn really awesome things from Quick Labs and from Google itself. So this is a really great thing from Google, really great initiative from Google Cloud with collaboration to developer student clubs. So I guess you should use your credibility to make sure you can do the great things. Alright, so this is from my side, signing off from DSC page. Thank you very much.